I was recently in Chicago speaking on behalf of the Chicago Business Travel Association. And after a full day of travel, nothing beats some time to unwind and de-stress your body. So take a few shoulder rolls, reach the arms up overhead, extend long through the fingertips, side bend to the right. And you're breathing this whole time. Inhale back to center, up and over to the left. Inhale, come on back through center. Reach up through the fingertips, little back bend, lifting up through the chest. And exhale, forward fold all the way, bend those knees. Inhale to a long spine. And exhale, step the left foot back. Stay on those fingertips, gaze forward, lunge. And then exhale, start to extend through the right leg. Again, inhale, bend the knee. Exhale, extend. Inhale, bend. And exhale, extend the leg. Rebend that right knee. Plant the palms, step your right foot back, downward facing dog. Take a moment, pedal the legs out. Inhale, shift forward to a plank. And exhale, lower, low push-up. Upward dog, inhale, gazing forward. I like to add a little neck stretch in there. Wiggle, wiggle, and then exhale, lift up and back from the hips, downward facing dog. Left foot steps forward between the hands, same thing other side. Inhale, rebend the knee, and exhale, start to extend through the left leg. Inhale, rebend, exhale, extend. One more time, inhale, rebend the left knee, and exhale, start to extend. Nice hamstring stretch. Bend that left knee, turn to the long edge, toes in, heels out. Rise up to the fingertips, inhale, and exhale, melt through center, dropping the chest. Moving any intuitive way here that feels good in your body, your spine, your hips. Lengthen back out, inhale. Interlace the hands, small the back, charge through the crown of the head, press the knuckles to the back wall behind you or window. And then exhale, fold through center of the legs, arms extending up overhead behind you. Nice shoulder stretch. Feels so good after a long flight. Release that bind, raise back up. Inhale to a long spine. Right, toes are out now, heels in. Twist to the left, goddess pose. And then twist to the right. Again, twisting to the left. Drop that right shoulder and twist to the right. Coming back to center. Hands come to the front of the mat or the floor. Step that left foot back in a plank position, low push-up. Upward dog, inhale. This time lifting straight up and back, downward dog, exhale. Taking a breath. And then three-legged dog, lift the right leg, bend the right knee. Deep breath in. One time, knee to nose, exhale. Inhale, extend the right leg. And exhale, stepping the right foot quietly outside the right hand. Turn the toes out to the side, twisting right hand just inside the right knee. Look over your right shoulder or maybe behind you, finding that left heel. Right hand lowers back down, turn the toes in. Lizard lunge, stay up on the hands or coming down to forearms. You want to see that your right knee is near the right shoulder. Most importantly, that it's not knocking out to the side. Breathe. Quick enough, rise up to the hands. You're going to turn to the long edge of that right foot. Maybe wiggle it back so the right heel aligns with your hip. Stretch the whole left side of your body. Right hand comes back down towards the floor. Step the right foot back, plank. Exhale, low push-up. Upward facing dog to downward facing dog. And let's repeat on the left side. Three-legged dog, lifting the left leg, bend the left knee. Feels so good in the right leg. Left knee to nose, just one time. Inhale and extend the left leg back. Now stepping left foot outside the left hand. Looking over that left shoulder, right leg is extended long. Peel back through both of the shoulders, open up the chest. And then exhale, lower the left hand down, coming into that lizard lunge. Both palms down or come onto the forearms. Right, the right leg keeps pressing, extending back behind you. keeping a long spine and a long breath. Breathe, inhale. And exhale, press down through the palms. Now turning to the blade side edge of your right foot, looking over to the left. Nice stretch for the right side body. Soften your face if you're tense. And left arm reaches up overhead, left hand plants down. Step the left foot back, you're in a plank, low push-up. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog, exhale. Slowly walk the feet to the middle. Now we're going to take a forward fold. Grab the big toes, inhale, long spine, and exhale, fold your way in. Now any forward fold is fine here. The important part is connecting back to you. So when we travel uplifted, we need to reroute, finding ourselves. Yoga, practice, moving, being in our body can do exactly just that. Lengthen out through the spine. One more, warriors. Extend the arms out in front of you. Engage the core. Root down through the balls of the feet. Take a deep breath in. And then exhale, twisting to the right side. Press those palms, wring out the spine. Switch sides, inhale, chair. And exhale, twisting left. Inhale, back to center, chair. And exhale, rising all the way up. Lift up through the spine. One more little wiggle here. And then arms come down by your side. Feeling energized, grounded, rooted, no matter where you are in the world. Thank you to the Gwen Chicago for hosting me here during my stay. Always remember, no matter where you are,